Hi, everyone. This is Catherine Williams, your local Santa Clarita Realtor. And I wanted to share with you a series of videos on buying rental properties. So some of my friends know that I own quite a few rental properties, and I have experience since about 1992. I think that's when I got my first one. And they've asked me lots of questions, and so I thought it might be of interest to other listeners. So here's our first topic: why buy a rental property? I can assure you that owning stocks and bonds and things of that sort are far easier. So why would anybody buy themselves this headache? Well, for one thing, diversification. When stocks go down, you still got your house, your rental house. So I love having rental units because I love being able to see it and touch it and have something solid. Um, Another thing is you have control over it. In a stock, some other person is managing it and you have no say in what they do with it. One of the reasons I wanted to get more heavily into real estate is because I was opposed to what a lot of corporations are doing. Um, I don't know, do I need to go into it? They're ruining the environment and any number of things. I don't want to get into it. And I wanted to use my money in a positive way. And I provide housing for lots of families, and I feel that that's a good use of my money. Have you ever wondered, your car gets old and it goes down in value? Your house gets old and it goes up in value. How can that be possible? Obviously, as the house gets older, you're going to have repairs, and yet it goes up in value. So how is that? Well, the physical house is not going up in value. What's going up is the land underneath the house. There's a limited supply of land on the earth, and certain areas are popular, and it's supply and demand. There's not enough housing in a particular area, and so the price goes up, even though the house may need a lot of repairs. There are lots of tax benefits to owning a property that you wouldn't get from stocks. So you are probably, not certainly, but probably going to be paying higher taxes on the same income that you get from stocks than you would get from the rent in a rental unit. When you have a house, you write off the mortgage interest, travel to the location, repairs, regular bills, and a multitude of other things. I must warn you that if you have a very large bill, you have to amortize it, which means write a little bit of it off every year for a number of years. But with your average bills, you're going to take the whole amount off in 1 year. And so while you might have an increase in your income, your deductions are going to reduce that increase from a tax point of view. So anyway, there's lots of great reasons to own properties, and these are some of the reasons that I do. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day. This has been Catherine Williams, your local Santa Clarita Realtor. Bye-bye.